teacher. I will tell you about the article Intelligent Automation and New Frontier in Capital Markets Operations. The capital markets firms have been really under pressure since the 2008 crisis. The revenue growth has been dipped for the industry, except for a few large US banks, and stubbornly high the cost structures add the pressure on margins and profitability. Amid a difficult macroeconomic climate and historical low interest rates in Europe, the cost cutting has become one of the critical levers for improving margins and ROE. The technology has emerged at the forefront of the capital markets industry because it lays the foundation for successfully execute business and operation strategies. The technology can facilitate innovation and disruption, but complex legacy systems and architecture remain a drag on performance, especially intermediate and back office operations, which area which are a critical source of operational inefficiency. The need for change in the operation of the capital markets. The capital markets operations are embroiled in negative challenge, especially at the head office and back office. There are still and many inefficiencies and operational risk in non-value adding functions such as business processing, know your customer (KYC), operational risk, and compliance controls such as business monitoring and surveillance. The capital markets company had a traditional focus their innovation and technology priorities at the head office, middle office, and back office. The operation had been neglected. The historical build-up of the system through organic growth, mergers and acquisition, and international ad hoc and outsourcing arrangements has contributed to creating a complex technology ecosystems. The result architectural is highly siloed across asset classes, the lines of business, geographies, and functions. The legacy his technology is often old, inflexible, and inefficient in solving modern challenges. Intelligent automation in capital markets. The quest to improve level of automation goes back a long way in the capital markets. Success has been achieved in some areas, but much remains to be done. Increasing digitalization in the business and customer lifecycle in recent years means that a lack of automation at any stage of processing can be source of inefficiency and risk. The business volume can fluctuate and in many cases require real-time or near real-time processing capabilities, leaving little room for manual intervention. The simple digitalization can be a critical lever for companies early in the automation process. The conventional rule-based workflow automation and the new technologies such as cloud applicates programming interface for APIs And microservices can also help improve automation. A key focus in the quest to improve automation is currently seen in leveraging next-generation automation tools like RPA, smart agents, cognitive tools. The robotic process automation in its most basic form mimics the role of human while making the process more automatic, repeatable, faster, and less prone to errors. It allows you to automatically capture information from different applications, perform basic manipulate with mainly structured data, and send outputs and triggers to other digital systems. The innovations in technology are making RPA tools more sophisticated or allowing them with cognitive capabilities and give rise to new types of robots, as they are the tax robots, the tax bots are the most basic from RPA and perform simple but repetitive process that involve structured data. Metabots are more advantage and can be integrated between systems using APIs and microservices to automate more complex and large-scale process. They involve bidirectional processing that involves the multiple systems. And, and the last is the AI or EQ bots have intelligence that can analyze and make decisions based on large amounts of data and can learn over the time and improve performance. That is the last. AI can be described as a range of cognitive programs and applications that analyze these different types of data similar to what the human brain will do, but on very large scale and at higher speed than a normal brain, but also in ways that are far beyond the capabilities of traditional software used in capital markets. ML is a subset of AI that provides the systems with the ability to automatically learn and improve from experience without being a special program by the human. Applications and use case. The smart the tool automation the tools can perform many tasks from the basic to complex, and both can help in gathering information from the different internal and third-party systems, websites, or other sources of information. They can gather the extracted data and present standardized reports and specific formats. These intelligence automation techniques can be applied in various areas of capital markets operation. Uh, Special intermediate and administrative functions are ready for application because there are many repetitive low-level and knowledge tasks in business processing and customer lifecycle management. Uh, what is the benefits of to apply smart automation? The benefits of applying these tools can be enormous, up to 60 and 80% reported cost savings. Reduce the manual efforts is a key benefit, which not only ramps up the processing time, but also frees up the human and financial capital for productive use, allowing the staff to focus on higher value. Thus, task also improves the productivity and quality, while reducing manual tasks helps to reduce the chance of the operation risk and errors. Source and commitment models. Therefore, the capital markets company had several options to choose from when it comes to sourcing smart automation tools. Manage central software of platform without with internal resource can provide greater control over deliver and execution, and the same license can be used in different processes throughout the organization. Challenges and considerations. The promise of smart solutions powered by automation are huge, but there are critical considerations for realize the full potential of the new technology. Achieve a right mix of automation, outsourcing, and offshoring will be important, special since most of the capital markets, the companies have already developed a complex mix of outside and offshore solutions. Uh, Thank you, teacher. That is the finish to my resume of the article. Thank you.